Hello everybody. In this video, we will just discuss next method of string. Okay. So the first method that we'll discuss in this video is a title method. Okay. So here in this program, I have again defined one string. Okay, and I have stored value in it as welcome in Python tutorial. Okay. You have to just concentrate on the case of this particular string. Okay. So I have written this particular string in lowercase. Okay, now let us discuss first method of this video. Okay, I want to use a title method. So see how to call title method. You have to just call it with string object. So here we have defined str object, and then we have to call title method. Okay, now see what is use of title method is used to convert the first character of every word from given string into capital. What I said, title method is used to convert first character of every word from given string into capital. So after execution of this print statement, this W will get in capital because this is first word. Then I also will get in capital, P also will get in capital, also T will get in capital. So let us execute this program. Okay, so see here we have got output as welcome in Python tutorial where W, I, P and T is in capital. Okay, so I hope you are getting this point how to use title method and what is use of title method. It is used to convert the first character of every word from given string into capital. Okay, now one more method I just want to discuss here in this video, that method is swap case method. Okay, swap case method. Okay, so let us remove this title first. Okay, we'll just discuss swap case method. Okay, now initially while storing, I'm just storing this particular string in this way. Okay, I'm just keeping W in capital and this Python also in capital. Okay, so here now I want to use a method that is swap case method. Swap case method. Okay, now as the name suggests, this method is used to swap the case of the letters which are present in the given string. Means here in original string, when we store this particular string in str, at that time W is in capital. So while display, if you call swap case method, then while display this W, capital W will be displaying small, and whatever small characters are there, they will be displaying capital. So this W will get in small while ELCOME, it is originally in small. So after execution of this swap case method, they will be converted into capital. So similarly, this Python is in capital in original, but when we call swap case, this Python will get in small. So whatever characters which are present in capital case in original string, they will be converted into lower, and whatever character which are present in the lower case in original string, they will be converted into capital. So I want to show you output here. See here we have got this W is in capital, then this W is in small, then this part in capital, again this part in capital. So Python originally is in capital, so here we have got it in lower case. Okay, so I hope you are getting this point. What is use of swap case method? Okay, now I just want to discuss one more method here, that is starts with method. Starts with method. So here I just want to call start. See here, s you have to mention starts. Okay, starts with. Okay, now this is a this method return a boolean value. Okay, this is a parameterized method. We have to pass one parameter. So again here I am passing parameter for this as welcome. So what is use of starts with method is, this starts with method will just check whether whatever string which is present in str variable has started with this welcome or not. Okay, so whatever data which is present in str variable, if it is starts with welcome, then this starts with method return true. Now here we know that this str is start with welcome, so output of this method will be true. Okay, I just want to show you output. See here, we have got output as true. But here, if I type any other value, okay, let us say computer. Okay, so when we execute this particular statement, at that time, this interpreter will just check whether whatever data which is present in str, that is this data, it starts with computer. No, it is not going to start with computer, it is going to start with welcome. So if this is the case, then this will return false. See here, we have got false. Okay, I hope you are getting this starts with method. Okay, so similarly, similar to starts with, ends with method is also there. So here ends with. Okay, now it will just check whether this particular string, whatever data which is present in this string, is ends with computer. No, it is not ends with computer, it is ends with tutorial. So it is not ends with computer, so that's why this method will again return what? This method will again return false. Okay, but here if I write tutorial, okay, now we know that whatever data which is present in str, that is this data is ends with tutorial. So this is true, so that's why this ends with method will return true. Okay, I want to show you output. See here, we have got output as true. Okay, so in this video we discussed title method, swap case method, then starts with and ends with. Okay, so I hope you are getting this point. That's all for this video. Stay tuned for further updates. Thank you.